Okay, so welcome back. So I've been able to link this Deriv demo account to the MT5 account. So one of the things you can do is if you click on manage account, you can also add your normal real account like I explained in the previous video. So this is a demo account. Now since the assets we want to trade are very limited, so let's just try to add the asset again and take one or two trades. So volatility 10 plus 75, then boom 1000, boom 500. Come back here, then we can remove all these other pairs. Okay, so we are good to go. So now, there are about 2 million methods of entering a trade. One is called instant execution. So for example, if I say buy boom 500, what you're just going to do is you're going to come here on this boom 500, you click on it, you click on new order, and then you enter buy. Okay, that's it. If I say sell boom 500, or let's say sell boom 1000, come here, click on new order, click on sell. That's it. Okay, now there are some situations whereby I may give SL and TP. All right, so whatever I give as SL or whatever I give as TP, you are going to use and are going to edit it in the order you have created. So what you do is click on trade. So if I say TP for, that's take profit for boom 500, if I say it should be 5600, you click on it, click on modify position, and you write 5600. all right, then if I give an SL also, you include the SL there and you click on modify. Can you see that's how it works? All right, same thing for boom 1000 and other asset pairs. All right, that being said, there are some situations whereby because of your small account, your account cannot carry the lowest lot size for a trade. So what we do is we open with a bigger lot size and then we quickly modify and close with a lower lot size. So let me give an example. Okay, so let's assume that you are using a $20 account. All right, and let's imagine that the trade we are about to take has a risk of, let's say, $5, and I will not want you to take a risk of $5. all right, so and we want to use a very low lot size that is lower than the standard default of 0.5. So what you're going to do is this: come to quotes. Okay, we are already on volatility 10, so click on volatility 10, click on new order. Now in this context, we want to open our trade with 0.3, not 0.5. You realize that you cannot go below 0.5. So what do? In this case, you will open with 0.8, then you close 0.5. How? Can you see? Okay, so if I say buy, so you are bought with 0.8, but we need only 0.3 to run. So you hold on the assets you click close position, and then you would look at that minus. You will see minus 0.5, you see minus 0.1, you see 0.01. all right, so you would click it until you get to 0.3, okay, 0.5, okay, and close with that. So once you do that, you now notice that the position we entered with 0.8 has now closed down to 0.3. In this case, we can take some trades with your very small lot size, all right, and let it roll by. But if you are using a bigger lot size, if you are using a bigger account, you may not need to do this. However, I'm going to give instructions. I'm going to give range for accounts between $20 to $50, $50 to $100, thereabout. Okay, so let's try it on another asset. Let's do it on Boom 500. So on Boom 500, let's imagine that the signal says sell. So click on Boom 500, click on new order, and now the lowest lot size for Boom is usually 0.2. okay, and let's say that your account, the risk for that trade can go up $5. okay, I'm going to give you a little example about this, so don't bother yourself. But if I say use 0.1 lot size for this trade, what you're going to do is you increase the lot size by 0.1 and you close 0.2. so can you see this is 0.3? Click on sell depending on the signal, all right, and once you do that, you come back here, click on close position, and now you reduce it to 0.2. Now in this case, you can see that Boom 500 is currently rolling by with 0.1 lot size. So this is exactly how it works, all right. So if I ask you to close your trade, just come in like this and close position, all right. Come here, close position, come here, close position, come here, close position. All right, so this process is called trade entry by instant execution. In other words, you are entering the trade immediately as the market's current pricing condition. But there are some cases whereby I can say buy limits or sell limits. So let's say I said on volatility 10, buy limits. You come here, new order. Now instead of market execution, you click on that drop down menu. Can you see? So you see buy limit, sell limit. It is either I tell you to use buy limit or sell limit or market execution. It can't exceed any of these three. So we can say sell limit, let's say buy limit at, let's say when price is 6,000 and stop loss 5,800, take profit 6,500, depending on the value I give to you. You will click on what? Place. So when price gets to that level, it will be triggered, all right, and it can be triggered and close you out on either profit or loss. Okay, that being said, the only limitation about this is you cannot modify your stop loss. I mean, you cannot modify your lot size in this case, unless if you are always with your phone waiting for price to trigger and do it manually. So this is actually how it works. I hope this has helped you a lot. So I'm going to give some assignment on the group, and I want you guys to please submit it tomorrow on the Telegram page. God bless.